Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to be doing practical electricity question 16 to 20, paper 15054. Let's start. Question 16. A 100-watt lamp is switched on for 5 hours each day for 3 weeks. So, for example, आप काम पे जाते हो, आप 5 घंटे काम करते हो और उस दौरान बत्ती आपकी ऑन रहती है 5 घंटे के लिए. And that lamp consumes 100 watt of power और आप कंसेक्यूटिवली 3 वीक्स के लिए काम पे जाते हो और 1 यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देयर कॉस्ट 0.24, ठीक है ना, डॉलर्स. हाउ मच डज इट कॉस्ट टू रन द लैम्प फॉर दिस टाइम? सो इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल कॉस्ट वी विल हैव टू calculate these three values. The power will be in kilowatts. 100 divided by 1000 will give us the power in kilowatts. Kilowatts आ गया. टाइम हमारे पास कितना आएगा? Time will be 5 into 3, which is the number of weeks, into the number of days, which is 7. Sorry, 7. That will give us 105 hours. तो अब हम वैल्यूज पुट कर लेते हैं. 0.1 into 105 into 0.24, which is the cost of a unit. That will give us the value of the total cost to run the lamp for this time, which will be $2.52. आगे चलते हैं. 17. A 3-pin mains plug contains a fuse. A device with double insulation has a cable connected to the plug. Which part of the plug is not connected to the cable? The earth pin is not connected to the cable because in double insulation, earthing is not required. Earthing will not be required in double insulation. So that is a very straightforward answer. आगे चलते हैं. The cost of electricity is 6 cents per kilowatt hour. It takes 0.06 hours and 1.2 cents to boil the water in a kettle. What is the power rating of the kettle? The power rating of the kettle will be calculated again using the same formula. तो अब हमारे पास इसको हम पहले लिख सकते हैं. कॉस्ट हमारे पास कितनी है? कॉस्ट है 1.2 इज इक्वल्स टू हमारे पास पावर, ये आप ही लिख देते हैं. टाइम हमारे पास 0.06 है और इनटू हमारे पास यूनिट की प्राइस 9 है. ये 9. चले जी निकाल लेते हैं. 1.2 divided by 0.06 divided by 9. This will give us the answer of 2.22. Let's check the answer. 19C. 18C. Okay, sorry, 18C. So 2.222 is the answer, which will be approximately 2.2. 19. 200-watt lamps are connected in parallel to the main supply as shown. How much electrical energy is supplied by the main supply when the switch is closed for 36 minutes? So the switch is closed मतलब circulate हो रहा है. आगे देख लेते हैं. अब हमने निकालनी है total power kilowatt hours में, ठीक है ना. So basically in order to do that, we will have to calculate the power first in the kilowatts, right? Kilowatts में हमने पावर निकालनी है because the answer is in kilowatts. तो हमारे पास टोटल पावर जो है between the two lamps is 200 watts, right? अब 200 watts को हमने किलोवाट आवर्स में कन्वर्ट करना है, किलोवाट्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. So we will have to divide that by 1000, so that will be 0.2 kilowatts, right? Or we have to convert this minutes into hours. So in order to do that, we will have to divide the minutes by 60 to convert them into hours, which will give us 0.6 hours. So अब हम निकाल लेते हैं by using the power formula. Power is equal to energy divided by time. अब हमारे पास टाइम है कितना? 0.6 और हमारे पास पावर है 0.2 into 0.6 will give us an answer of 0.12 kilowatt hour. आगे देखते हैं. C is the answer. A kettle is connected to a 240-volt main supply by using a plug containing a fuse, 13 ampere fuse. The kettle contains water. When it is switched on, the fuse blows. That means something is wrong. That means the current is higher than the fuse rating of the current. This happens again मतलब ये फिर से हो ही जा रहा है, मतलब जो current है that is way higher than the rating of the fuse, which means that there is something wrong with the appliance, with the kettle. Someone replaces the fuse with a nail and the kettle works. The kettle is working is a very bad sign because there seems to be a problem with the kettle, and if not fixed, something bad might happen. What else might happen as a result of placing the fuse with a nail? अच्छा, अब ये चल तो रहा है, but it won't work for long because the current running through the kettle is way higher. ठीक है ना? Current is way higher than the kettle can withstand, and what will happen is a very large current overloads the wire and the causes a fire because the fuse which was required to work in that kettle was kept blowing, right? It kept blowing. So that means there must be something wrong with the appliance. And when there's something wrong with the appliance or very large current hoga, or the fuse is not gonna disconnect the main live wire with the whole circuit, what will happen is that the appliance will catch on fire. That is what the fuse is used for. It is used as a safety mechanism to save the appliance by blowing itself up. ठीक है ना? So that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.